Lots are labeled and held under intake quarantine.
Representative samples are taken for inbound quality testing.
Sugar level and acidity are verified against specifications.
Temperature check confirms they are within the acceptable range.
All right, let's move these to the graded samples area.
Results are reviewed for acceptance or rejection.
Approved fruit is released to processing. Released fruit is transferred to the intake area. Pallets are positioned for controlled discharge. Conveyors feed fruit steadily into pre-cleaning.
Fruit enters flume washing for initial soil removal. Air bubbles gently dislodge surface contaminants.
Fresh water removes residual wash contaminants.
Sanitizer is applied to reduce surface microbial load.
Excess surface water is removed by gravity. Air knives remove remaining surface moisture. Accepted fruit proceeds to automated sorting. Cameras detect color and surface defects. Off-spec fruit is automatically rejected. A buffer ensures stable downstream feeding. Stones are mechanically removed from apricots. Apricot flesh is separated from stones for further processing. Remaining defects are trimmed from the flesh.
Fruit is cut to uniform size for grinding.
Mechanical grinding converts fruit into mash. Mash is fed into the pulping system.
Pulp is separated from coarse solids.
Refined pulp advances to final finishing. Finishing removes remaining fine solids.
Pomace is diverted for byproduct processing.
Final screening ensures uniform texture. Puree is buffered to stabilize downstream flow.
Puree is transferred for air removal. Entrapped air is removed to protect quality. De-aerated puree advances to thermal processing. Puree is heated to achieve microbial safety. Holding time ensures required lethality. Critical temperatures are continuously recorded. Only compliant product is allowed forward. Pasteurized puree moves to cooling. Product is cooled to filling temperature. Cooled puree is held under aseptic conditions. Sterile barriers protect product integrity. It is filled without recontamination. Packages are sealed and traceability codes applied. Package weight is verified against specification. Seals and codes are visually inspected. Non-conforming units are isolated from release. Accepted packages are accumulated for palletizing.
Packages are stacked into stable pallets.
Pallets are stabilized for handling and storage. Pallets receive final identification and traceability.
Finished goods are transferred to storage.
Product is stored under controlled conditions.
Orders are staged for outbound dispatch.
Finished pallets are loaded for distribution.
Process wastewater is collected separately from product. Large solids are removed from wastewater.
Fats and fine solids are separated.
Microorganisms reduce organic load.
Waste sludge is dewatered for disposal. Treated water meets discharge standards. Stored separately from finished goods. Critical control points are inspected for integrity.
Batch is formally approved for release. Approved pallets are entered into inventory.
Pallets are positioned according to FIFO rules. Storage conditions are continuously monitored.
Shipping documents are prepared for dispatch.
Finished goods await carrier arrival.
Pallets are aligned for efficient loading.
Transport equipment is inspected for cleanliness.
Pallet counts are verified before loading.
Loading is completed and secured.
Finished product leaves the facility for delivery.
Once the ports are connected, we use the torque wrench to tighten the clamps, finalizing the CIP setup.
Pre-rinse removes remaining residues. Equipment is reset to standby after sanitation. Seals and gaskets are checked for integrity.
Records are verified for compliance.
Line status is updated for the next run.
The facility is prepared for the next production cycle.